Why don't you just have a Golgappa?
Yeah, oh, you're right. They actually have that. Lead flag.
Yeah. But the best pizza I've had in Delhi, it's epic.
Why
Both
would
people
you?
on a
Yeah.
table, I'm so happy.
And why won't you allow it? You want people to try your flavors unless you're hiding something.
doing
No. It's not all this.
Or this. Chop, chop, chop.
Kanye ko destroy kar paye ho? Where did these guys go?
3, 2, 1.
It's rolling. Welcome to the
Short Girls
Collective. We do everything that tall girls do and more.
Welcome back to another episode of
Short Girls Collective.
Short Girls Collective.
Short Girls Collective.
And today we are discussing all about pizza.
Oh my God, you've heard it before. You've had it before. I think everyone's had pizza.
Oh, probably.
I don't think there's anyone in the world who doesn't know what pizza, Coke or McDonald's is.
अभी मैं इतनी सारी poverty वाले comment
मारना
Yeah.
पर doesn't know. मैंने ये नहीं बोला सबने खाया है पर McDonald's,
Fine.
Coke and pizza सबको पता है.
मतलब ठीक है, whatever, सबको पता ही है.
घर पे नहीं बोलते पिज्जा पास्ता खा के आ जाना बेटा.
Pizza pasta.
All your granddads have said this, grandmothers.
Pizza burger. It's almost a jingle now.
Pizza burger, Momo pizza.
Momo pizza.
Momo pizza.
Yo, but it's so crazy how far we've come from Domino's and Pizza Hut to
It almost feels like we know too much. That's why
Evo's.
Domino. To
like
Evo.
Domino's to Evo's and everything in between.
Yeah, Evo, there's Leo's.
Yeah.
There are kids I see at Leo's and I always wonder how lucky they are because उन्हें actual dough पता है. They know what a pizza actually is supposed to be and not what we grew up with, which is just Domino's.
Yeah.
It was so confusing to actually have regular pizza, like a wood-fired oven
Yeah.
pizza. कि ये pizza, ये
Yeah.
गंदा pizza है.
But मेरे को लगता है कोई भी अपना resort कोई भी खोलता है ना सबके पास wood oven होता
अब
है.
तो wood oven is coming with a resort.
हाँ, why is it happening?
It's
Not just
become-
resort, like everywhere.
Yeah, they realize it's just a tandoor that's horizontal.
Yeah.
So they realize they can
That's
quickly just switch
why.
the game and like every person who was making naan bread
Naan bread.
is now
Naan
making
bread.
pizza. Your naan bread.
Achha, what is your go-to pizza order?
Margananjigandana.
Shush.
I'll add the screenshot for this one.
Margananjigandana.
Margananjigandana. The worst typo I've ever seen on any menu has been
I
this
don't think
one.
it was a typo, it was intentional.
But it's too much. Did you see the other one?
Marinara hai.
Did I add that one? The one in which it says Parmesan.
नहीं.
And oh my god, I have to. अच्छा ठीक है मैं अपनी story पे डालूंगी तेरे को tag करूंगी.
Am I a joke to you?
क्या बात कर रही थी? तो my go-to pizza.
Order.
I don't like a margarita. I like the flavors of margarita, but I need at least 2 toppings on my
Okay.
pizza. So that can be anything. I am a pineapples on pizza person. I'm good with that.
Okay.
I like some amount of spice. So I'm looking for sweet, spice, or olives.
Why don't you just have a Golgappa? If you wanted
Texture.
sweet and spicy.
You think I'm not? I have reserved Golgappas at home. I keep them there as my backing. I might not leave money in my bank, but I will leave a Golgappa in the fridge for later.
I think like we need to redo this. What is your go-to pizza order?
Achha, okay. So you picante. That would be my pizza order. It has jalapeno.
Oh, it's an actual pizza.
It's an
I'm
actual
thinking
pizza.
cocktail.
Oh, picante.
Picante.
I think just spicy. I'm looking for sweet and spicy on a pizza.
Okay.
Again, Golgappas.
My go-to pizza order is now either a marinara or a margarita.
Marinara is a hard choice.
Because I like traveling with like this friend, she introduced me to the concept कि कहीं पे भी जाओ, अगर तुम्हें जानना है कि if they know how to make a pizza or
You
not,
order the simplest.
you order the margarita or marinara,
That's true.
and mostly it will be good.
That's true.
if the place is good.
Just like a podcast that doesn't have too many graphics is a great podcast, some people
Or
say.
too many celebrities as interviews.
That's not a podcast. What is that?
It's a shortcut. It's like taking LSD
yeah, a
for
shortcut.
It's like taking LSD for spirituality.
हाँ, oh, I'm so spiritual now. मैंने कर ली थी 8 घंटे की trip every weekend. I'm the best now. I understand
My
everything.
Kundalini really awoke
My Kundalini.
with the Kool-Aid. But okay, as a kid, did you prefer Pizza Hut or Domino's, and why?
I like Pizza Hut if we were going somewhere. If we were ordering in, I'd like Domino's.
Yeah, we didn't really go out to
We
Domino's.
went. Yeah, we never went to Domino's.
Because Domino's didn't have that bell feature.
And they didn't have that salad
oh
bar.
my god, Pizza Hut was the OG press the bell icon.
Yeah, oh, you're right. They actually had that. Wait, but Taco Bell took over.
Oh. Taco Bell came too late to India.
That's too crazy, right?
But listen, you can also press the bell icon for our page, यार. हम बोलते नहीं हैं, पर subscribe कर सकते हो.
It's okay. I don't take that outro too seriously. Just maybe we're asking you not to do it.
Like कर सकते हो, comment कर सकते हो.
If you're here right now at this moment, this is what the universe is telling you. You get those reels?
Yeah.
The universe is asking you to share this with the third person on your WhatsApp. I'm like, I'm judging myself. Why did you even listen to this part?
True.
Why did you do
मैं
it?
नहीं करती, मैं reel scroll
तू
करती हूँ.
immediately कर लेती है.
Immediately scroll.
Not even the hooks get you, huh? They can't sink into you.
The hooks don't get me.
So,
only really good Parmesan or goat cheese gets me.
Parmesan.
I love goat cheese.
I love
on
goat
a
cheese.
Pizza.
I love goat cheese. Do you like goats?
I like goats like Kanye.
You like goats?
I like goats. But listen, I had the worst pizza in Delhi.
Where?
At a very
Oh.
fancy new place. I'm shook.
Are these the people that have been doing influencer marketing?
मतलब every place
recently?
needs to do it now.
They have to do it, I
They
suppose.
have to do it,
I
of
suppose.
course, to get the message out.
Do you think Zomato should have had an influencer marketing section already inbuilt into the same app or a different
Wow.
app? They should have probably done
They
that.
could. I feel like it's a whole other
think it's a
model.
missed opportunity.
It's a lot of work
It
to
is.
manage influencers.
But you know, there are those people that do reviews very diligently.
Of course.
Did you know Amazon has influencers?
No.
It's blown my mind. If you search for socks, so I was searching for
Yeah,
socks.
yeah.
And I suddenly landed up on other people's reviews, and there are these legitimate models, but like the online ones, and they're doing these socks,
Oh.
keep modeling, and they're writing down more things on how to pair the sock with this.
Oh, they're uploading their own photos
They're putting up their own photos, they have profiles.
and they're getting paid.
They're getting paid for marketing this. So Amazon has influencers.
And is that you subtly showing your socks?
No, this has nothing to do.
Look at my purple
This has
sock.
come from Bangkok, and I got it for, I think I got it.
Look, mine is like highlighted
Oh.
neon yellow from Japan.
This is oh, you've taken up a notch, huh? Taken it up a
No,
notch.
listen, but let's tell them the
Tell
worst
them what?
pizza we had together.
Right, so this place, we were actually guests there. So technically, it's not our problem that we're
Yeah,
giving it a
yeah.
bad review because you can't lie online that much. But we went there. Everything else is okay. The
Ambience is
was
good,
really
amazing.
nice. Rooftop, beautiful spot, somewhere in
Pasta was really
Safdarjung.
good. We had like a tomato penne.
We ordered, see, it was a little confusing that the menu had everything on it. That is already a red flag. Like you should, flag.
Yeah.
You should probably avoid it when everything has everything in it, but except for a podcast. But this had bits that were almost doing well. Like the platter was good. This Middle Eastern platter was nice, I guess. Passable. Pasta was surprisingly good. And then we landed
And
on
then
the
they
pizza.
got a frisbee.
Which, yeah, exactly. So we thought it was a plate
Yeah.
that it came on.
was this thick.
Turns out it was, this thick, that Nirula's old school pizza
Yeah.
that your mom makes
like
at
a
home.
small, this thick.
Yeah.
उसकी टॉपिंग्स पता है क्या लग रही थी मेरे को जो
Don't
नूडल्स
remind
नहीं
me, ना
होते
अजीब सी appetite
जो
में
नूडल्स नहीं होते जिसमें बहुत सारे कैबेज होता है
हाँ।
बट नूडल्स का कलर ब्राउन नहीं होता क्योंकि सोया सॉस
ये
नहीं
कुछ
डाली
नहीं डाला है उन्होंने.
it was like
Yeah.
a Amul cheese first pizza
Yeah,
trial
yeah,
ever it
yeah.
was like hard and small it was weird
Hard and small.
hard and small it was weird
But
size does matter
we're doing reviews for everything. But this particular pizza, I know our moms have made it better.
Of course.
When they've done it from scratch with the sauce and everything, this pizza just lacked flavor and it was rock hard. Like it was rock hard, and we left it and we told them
Yeah,
it was
yeah, yeah.
just take it off your. Why would you do that?
yeah, why would you do that
How can you manage to not fuck up pasta and get the texture right and get everything else good, but manage to do this to pizza? Pizzas, surprisingly, are the easiest thing, especially if you have an already made base.
yeah
The fuck?
No, but the best pizza I've had in Delhi, this I don't think she has had. It's not Leo's, it's not Evu's, it's a place called Tablespoon.
Oh, I haven't
It's
had
in
it
the DLF Avenue Mall. I love tables. It's such a, I just did not expect it, zero expectations. I walked in, pizza tha, half and half order kar sakte the. That's always a win. Agar ek pizza place mein you can order
don't know,
half and half
yeah.
pizza, it's epic.
Why
Both
would
people
you?
on a
Yeah.
table are so
There's
happy.
and why won't you allow it? You want people to try your flavors unless you're hiding something.
Yeah. It's maybe people, maybe places that are busy,
They don't
they
wanna.
can manage it.
Yeah.
Nahin, they can manage it because they know iske ingredients to lag rahe hain, iske bhi lag rahe
वो
hain.
तो लगेंगे ही लगेंगे
But I
तुम्हें.
think it's maybe hard for many reasons.
I don't think it is. I think they're just forcing you to get two pizzas.
Maybe.
I think it's a thing in which you're
Have you
just
had
finding...
tablespoon pizza?
Nahin.
It was amazing.
I
You
actually
must
haven't
try
tried
it. But you tell us about Evu Pizza because you keep going there.
Evo is right here.
She goes
It's-
there like it's her favorite coffee shop.
Yeah. I wish I haven't had their coffee. Maybe they're another one that can do coffee better.
Oh.
But right at the end, I think at least. But it's right here. It's like 10 minutes away.
In South Delhi.
It's in South Delhi. It's in Malviya Nagar. And Malviya Nagar has recently become this spot for different, amazing, incredible places opening up, right? Food related, even coffee shops are opening. It's become an experimental food street, at least.
Yeah.
So Evo is there, and we've seen Evo grow for the past 4 years. It started off with something with a very simple, basic decor, and then it turned into this fancy ass
Fun
dining spot.
Amazingly
Dim
lit.
lighting,
Yeah, amazing.
reservations. People are waiting outside. I have waited
But
outside.
they have a waiting bench outside.
They have a bench, you know
So
they have.
good.
And they put like a little machar ka thing also, so that
Yeah,
you don't
it's
get.
nice.
It's really well thought out. The servers are amazing. No one, and the owner is super sweet. He keeps getting these injuries. I don't know. वो बहुत sports खेल रहा है,
Oh,
कुछ
I thought he's
CrossFit.
like in the kitchen doing
No. It's not all this.
Or this. Chop.
But yeah, he keeps getting injured, but the nicest people around over there. So I have an incredible time. The best part is the pizzas never disappoint. The pasta is all handmade. Everything is handmade from scratch.
Yeah.
All the ingredients are fresh. Like imagine rucola, ऊपर से leaves डालते हैं.
हाँ.
हमेशा wilted and weird नहीं होती है. In the fanciest places you find bright, fresh green rucola.
Maybe
leaves.
they're putting it right before the pizza comes.
Right before the pizza, but even then, the ones I even get from Modern Bazaar, I think वो कोई ना कोई तो खराब होती है उसमें से. They just really let go of all shitty produce. They get rid of it. The cheese is brought in every day. I've never gotten sick.
Yeah.
You know, this
That's
is our
good,
tried
that's
and
good, that's
tested
good,
way.
that's
Yeah,
good, that's
I
good.
never get sick, and I have this. They have an amazing chili oil which you need to ask for if you're going there. They don't just put it on
Of
the
course,
table.
she's asking for the spicy shit.
Yeah. So I added, and isme there is burrata pizza, which is really nice. Then they have this pesto and pistachio pizza, which is also really nice. Then they have this.
Did you say pistachio?
Yeah. They have sliced up pistachios in it. It's incredible.
What could that be?
Yeah, and it's really good. They have this melanzana pizza, which is also really
What's
nice.
melanzana?
It's
I
got
may ask.
bell peppers, roasted bell peppers in it, and that's about it.
I love it.
Then they have this exotic mushroom pizza, which has all exotic mushrooms. So I've had all the pizzas
Oh
there.
yeah, you basically just said the whole menu.
Whole menu. But guess what I didn't have? A
Margarita. You didn't have a margarita.
Yeah, I didn't have that.
Yeah, okay, but Evo is obviously amazing.
Yeah.
But hats off to Anmol, or Amol his name is, for
Oh,
getting
Leos.
Leos to Delhi.
What an amazing thing.
Yeah.
Wait,
And
Leo's is
till
also a Delhi-born spot, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not like it was created
No, it's
somewhere else. It's a
Delhi-born.
Delhi-based
Till
thing.
date वहाँ पे waiting होती है, चाहे rainy day हो, national holiday हो,
I swear.
national working
I
day हो,
swear.
Leos में
चाहे
हमेशा
कोविड हो
waiting होती है।
कोविड में
चाहे
एक
COVID हो।
मोमेंट हुआ था जिसमें वो याद नहीं स्टार्ट हुआ था ओ लियोस में कोविड
Yeah.
हो गया
Oh,
and that was the
yeah.
craziest
Like a
thing.
little community story.
Yeah, that's something if you know you know.
But
Bali.
yeah, he really introduced Nepo.
Neapolitana pizza.
Neapolitan.
Wow, that was so hard to say.
I can't say.
It's like yeah.
Neo Pizza in Delhi.
Yeah.
And so good. मतलब मेरे को वहाँ जाके पता चला था कि पिज्जा क्या होता है और बराटा क्या
हाँ,
होती
that's
है.
true and fresh.
हाँ.
Dude, उनका size देखा है क्या दे रहे हैं वो? That's not normal.
really
That one ball of burrata can feed all of Africa if they wanted to. But I'm sure they're trying their best. This place, Leo's, has this secret, beautiful thing that exists,
What?
which is something you would not expect from Leo's.
What is it?
Amazing coffee.
What?
They have the best salted caramel latte.
I just go there and get excited by their beers also. That
And
they
their
have
beers also. They have really nice range of beers and wine.
And
But
the photos of dogs.
so cute. Leo.
Ah, so
That's
वही
so
Leo.
cute. That's a fun fact. It's named after his dog Leo.
Okay, cool.
But हाँ वही Leo है. I think he died. As sometimes dogs do, and all good things. They are all in the same mesh. Yeah. My dog passed away in December. She was really old though. She was 17 years old. Always get yourself a stray. They last with you forever. They don't need any vet. My dog went to the vet maybe 5 times. She just didn't have any issues.
Street kid थी ना वो.
Street kid, hustler,
yeah,
Kanye.
yeah.
Kanye को destroy कर पाए हो?
नहीं.
Everybody wants to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
तो कैसे करोगे stray dogs को destroy?
नहीं कर
Salted caramel latte.
Oh, what's that?
At Leo's.
Oh, at Leo's.
I'm gonna take you. Abhi chalte hain.
So some pizza places that do other things right
It's
as
surprisingly good.
well. But we have surprisingly less pizza places.
Yeah, we do.
What about Andres?
Andres?
Andrea's.
Andrea's Eatery. It's really nice, but I feel like it's overpriced.
Okay.
I don't know about the pizza. The pasta is really nice. They have this amazing salad as well, rucola.
They have
Maybe I like
amazing
rucola.
papaya salad.
Yeah, they have really good food.
Yeah.
But for me, I went there a couple of times and then at ek din hua tha, just my brain just snapped.
Oh my god.
And I decided it's too overpriced. I'm not coming back here. And I don't know why I did that and I've just never gone.
I hope this happens to you with G-Shot also.
It did. It did.
Which brings me to Tossin and Breaking Bad. And,
Yeah. Where did these guys go?
you were obsessed with Tossin. Every time I used to go to her place, रात को 4 बज गए ये मैडम ने और इसके बॉयफ्रेंड ने हमेशा Tossin pizza
Am I
order करना।
obsessed with Tossin or
You used
is
to be.
Tossin obsessed with being the only place that delivers at 4 a.m.?
Alright.
Because I'm 3 a.m., 4 a.m. order karte the and there was just one place that's ordering pizza and that's this Tossin. No one else is ordering. I mean, they don't deliver. But Tossin, तभी तो उसने मेरा phone चुराया था. That's the whole
No
story.
one's giving pizza by the slice, na, in Delhi.
No.
Like you're just driving by, you stop for
Oh,
a slice.
Nomad Pizza.
Oh, where are they?
Nomad Pizza is a cloud kitchen. It's in Vasant Kunj and it actually has amazing pizzas, great flavors, very good products. But they also do pizza by the slices and they do these footlongs. So if you just want to get a snack, order after 10 p.m. Pro tip: you'll get buy one get one free.
I've heard that some people say that Japan is like killing it with pizzas.
They are.
Did we try pizza in Japan?
नहीं किया था हमने नहीं किया था ना हमने
नहीं।
बहुत टेस्टी था मतलब before this is such a ironical weird oxymoron
Yeah.
we tried no पर बहुत tasty
Yeah.
था but before I did have it and I remember thinking no one's associating Japan with good pizza you're associating Italy with good pizza
Of course,
you're
Italy
not
has great pizza.
but यहाँ पे because it works so well on the dough and of course they take everything to the extreme of making it perfect and then talking about wabi sabi suddenly
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's so true.
Yeah.
Oxymoron.
हाँ
Do you still order Domino's or Pizza
I do.
Hut?
I do.
And what are these moments in which you?
The same vulnerable moments 4 days a month that I get
Right.
just when I'm watching rom-coms. I am eating desserts. I am ordering Domino's pizza or Pizza Hut. And it's usually like Domino's, that garlic bread is just...
Yeah.
What
She's
is
obsessed
that?
with it. I'm okay with it.
I'm-
I feel like I don't eat Domino's when I'm craving pizza. I crave Domino's.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't call it pizza.
That's so
I call
true.
it Domino's.
That's so true.
It's not
That's
pizza
exactly
I'm
that.
craving. I'm
No, no.
craving that Domino's की smell.
हाँ.
जो it's like Old Spice aftershave.
Yeah.
कि बचपन से you've
It's
grown
there.
up with that smell.
Where is Old Spice
It's like,
right now?
My dad still has it.
Yeah, my
I
dad
love it.
does
And the
too.
brute one.
हाँ.
But to wrap it up, I want to know best pizza places in Delhi for you and worst.
So Evo is currently my favorite. Leo's, I think I had way too much of it, which is why... And sometimes they get the center in
OG
the...
spot दे देना.
OG spot, Leo's. Best current spot,
Okay.
Evo. Worst pizza place तो नहीं है, but pizza serve करते हैं, Zura. That's the name
That's
of the place.
worst.
That's the worst.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the worst. And anything else in the middle? Domino's kills it still with the garlic breads. I think they're doing a fabulous job. They should never stop. Pizza Hut should stop garlic bread altogether. I don't know what that is that you're serving.
What about Papa John's, Paprika, all of these
वो क्या होता है?
places?
Slice of Italy.
Oh yeah.
Slice of
बीच में तो हम
Italy.
obsessed हुए थे.
बस यही खा रहे थे हम.
2002,
It went
2003.
away. That entire it was just a bubble. That's the
Oh,
economic bubble.
The one in Chicago Pizza.
Why?
You just buy the slice. ये जो mall में होते थे, खान market में
so
होते थे.
weirdly, I never had this Chicago pizza.
आज तक नहीं खाया
Now,
तूने?
and everyone told me to have
Chicago
it.
pizza, send my girl a
Do
slice.
it. Do it. I'll open my mouth for you.
That's too funny.
Huh.
Okay, my ranking is
Huh.
best pizza right now for me. OG to obviously Leo's, and then best is Tablespoon in DLF
Nice.
Avenue.
Nice.
And worst is obviously Zura. And
I'm
I
sorry,
think
Zura, but
that's
like,
pretty
what
much
are you
it.
doing
and
right?
Pizza Hut, Nerula's, I don't care.
Nirlas to meko, I was never into hot chocolate like that. Like I was, everyone else would celebrate it and I'll just have a little bit of
Yeah.
it. But I'm not a fan of it.
Yeah.
Hot chocolate
What
fudge.
are you a fan of? What's
Yeah.
your favorite pizza? Tell us. We would love to go and
Give
try
us
it
your
out.
pizza nostalgia or pizza current or like what's popping in Delhi right now.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
You know, you get so exhausted with going to all the places that you return to the same old basic places after a point because you don't want to experiment too much, which is why people settle down and end up having families. But sometimes you want to break free from the family and like have a little affair on the side. So we could be that pizza affair.
We are all the sugar and spice, and we are Short Girls Collective.
Why won't you just like and comment? Do it. Do it now.
It's not that hard. Aren't we your friends?
Press that link below.
Bye.